Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, thanks for watching my video and subscribing my channel. Day by day my channel is increasing and I am requesting you all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It's really motivate me a lot to do the next video for you all, or I'm just used to like bring all the data science interview questions. So suppose like most commonly asked data science interview question in any of the interview, you will like how we'll clone the table or how we will copy table from a database which is our existing. Like we want entire structure same, like suppose we have an table, okay, so employee table or any table into the database. So I have a employee table and like I want to copy this table and I want to create the clone of this table with the data. So first question they will ask, with the data we want only the schema. So these all things we are going to cover in this video. So in Oracle we have simple like a structure. If we'll do the create a table and we will give the table name, and just we as in as or like as we will give the table name and we will just use the selector statement over here, it will get created. But in the SQL server it's little tricky. What we have to do, we have to select a star into, so whatever the our target table or our new table, we have to give this into statement and we have to define the new table name, and we have to give the selectors from the table which we want to select. So this is the proper syntax into the SQL server. Now suppose next question will arise. Okay, next question will arise like I want only employee ID, first name, last name and email address of that employee of the table. Then what we will do, we will keep this syntax as a same, select a star into. Instead of a star, what we have to do, we have to keep till here our syntax will be same. Just we have to change the select over here. Like we will select those column only which are required, like employee ID, then name, first name, last name. Though if these column are required, we will select those column only. Now second question will arise, I want whole table but I don't want the data. So what we will do, we will add the filter condition over here. What we will do, where 1 is equals to 2, so it will not satisfy any condition. Like 1 is equals to 1, it will satisfy whole condition, but 1 is equals to 2, it will filter all the data, it will not satisfy any data condition. So we will get the data, uh, like we will get the structure of the table only. So these are the things which could be asked into the interview and you have to be keep in mind. Suppose they will ask that I want a table with the some calculated field. Suppose like I want concat of first name last name into that table. So we can do that also as well over here. What we can do, we can use the concat function and we can concat the first name and last name, concat function, and we can concat this first name and last name, uh, and we can use that as a name. So like that we can create a table and we can complete this, we can answer the question which were asked from the interview. So I like means I have covered these things. In next video I'm going to cover the store procedure and function, how what are the difference between a store procedure and user defined SQL functions. As well, like we will see how we can create the store procedure, how can we define the user functions. So these all things we are going, I am going to cover into the next video. So till that, if you have watched till here, please subscribe and comment, share with your friends, so I it will motivate me to make a new video.